Welcome to our latest video where we're diving into the best budget gaming PCs of 2024. If you're a gamer on a budget, but still want to experience smooth gameplay and decent performance, this list is just for you. We've scoured the market to bring you the top picks that won't empty your wallet, but will still deliver an impressive gaming experience. Let's jump in and find out which gaming PC suits your style and budget the best. Skytech Gaming Chronos Mini. Kicking off our list of the best budget gaming PCs for 2024, we have the Skytech Gaming Chronos Mini Gaming PC Desktop. Now, when it comes to getting a lot of bang for your buck, this rig really stands out. Powered by an Intel Core i3-10105F processor that clocks in at 3.7 GHz and can boost up to 4.4 GHz. This PC is no slouch when it comes to processing power. It's perfect for those who want to dive into gaming without breaking the bank. One of the main highlights here is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 16504GB GDDR6 graphics card, which handles most modern games like Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, and Grand Theft Auto V at 1080p resolution with ultra settings and a smooth 60+ FPS. This means you'll get great visuals and smooth gameplay on a budget, which is pretty impressive for a PC in this price range. Storage-wise, it comes equipped with a 500GB SSD, offering up to 30 times faster data transfer speeds than traditional HDDs. This not only means quicker game load times, but also a more responsive overall system performance. With 16GB DDR4 3000 gaming memory, this machine ensures multitasking is a breeze, whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling everyday tasks. CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR. Following up on our list is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC, a solid contender for anyone looking to dive into immersive gaming and VR without blowing their budget. This machine is powered by the Intel Core i5-14040F, boasting 10 cores that clock in at 2.5 GHz. Plenty of muscle to handle both gaming and multitasking. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or running multiple apps, this PC has you covered. Now, let's talk graphics. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB is a great choice for gamers who want to enjoy high-quality visuals without stepping into the high-end price range. With one X HDMI and one X DisplayPort, you've got the flexibility to connect to multiple displays, making this an excellent option for both gamers and content creators. Whether it's VR gaming or tackling the latest 8AA titles, this rig delivers smooth and detailed performance. Storage-wise, this PC doesn't disappoint, featuring a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Not only does it offer ample space for all your games, but it also ensures ultra-fast load times and overall system responsiveness, which is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is a breeze, and you can be sure your system is future-proofed for the next wave of games and software. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR also comes with some cool extras, like a tempered glass side panel and custom RGB lighting, adding that extra flair to your setup. With Wi-Fi 5 for fast, reliable internet connectivity, and 7.1-channel audio for an immersive sound experience, this PC is well-rounded and ready for whatever you throw at it. iBUYPOWER Trace 7. Mesh Gaming PC, a powerhouse that's all about performance and style. Starting with the engine under the hood, this gaming beast is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7570 processor, ensuring that multitasking and heavy-duty gaming are smooth as butter. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 3056GB, this rig is more than capable of handling modern games at high settings, delivering stunning visuals and keeping frame rates steady. Now, let's talk memory and storage. With 16GB DDR4 RGB 3200 MHz RAM, 8x2, you're set for seamless multitasking whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on creative projects. The 1TB NVMe SSD offers not just ample storage, but also lightning-fast load times, so you spend more time in the game and less time staring at loading screens. Connectivity is well covered with 6x USB 3.1 ports, perfect for all your peripherals, and 1x RJ45 network Ethernet for a stable wired internet connection. The built-in 802.11 AC Wi-Fi ensures you're ready to connect wirelessly without any extra setup. Plus, the onboard audio provides a solid sound experience, which is key for immersive gaming. One of the standout features of this PC is its design. The tempered glass RGB gaming case not only looks cool, but also allows you to showcase the 16-color RGB lighting inside. HP Pavilion Gaming. Alright, for our next pick, let's dive into the 2022 HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop PC, a solid choice for gamers who want a reliable, high-performing rig without breaking the bank. This gaming desktop is powered by an Intel i5-1040F processor, delivering 6 cores of performance that can handle both gaming and multitasking with ease. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or managing multiple apps, this processor has got you covered. What really makes this system shine is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card. Known for its stellar performance in gaming, the RTX 3060 allows you to experience your favorite games in all their glory, with high frame rates and stunning visuals. This card is a beast when it comes to handling graphics-intensive tasks, and it ensures that you're future-proofed for upcoming games as well. When it comes to memory, this HP Pavilion doesn't disappoint with 16 GB of RAM. This means smooth multitasking and quick access to all your games, apps, and files. Storage-wise, you get the best of both worlds, a 256 GB SSD for lightning-fast boot times and load speeds, plus a 2 TB HDD to store your extensive game library, media, and more without worrying about space. The Acer Nitro 50 N5620 UA91. Wrapping up our list is the Acer Nitro 50 N5620 UA91 gaming desktop, a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch for gamers looking to dive into their favorite titles without splurging on high-end specs. At the heart of this machine is the 11th Gen Intel Core i5-1140F6 core processor, which offers solid performance for both gaming and multitasking. Whether you're playing the latest games or streaming content while you game, this processor handles it all smoothly. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card might not be the newest kid on the block, but it's still a reliable performer for 1080p gaming. You'll be able to enjoy popular games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Rocket League with decent frame rates and visual quality. It's a great entry point for gamers who want good performance without jumping into the pricier GPU range. The Nitro 50 comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is sufficient for most gaming needs and everyday tasks. However, if you're someone who likes to run multiple applications simultaneously, you might consider upgrading the RAM down the line. Storage is handled by a 512 GB NVMe M.2 SSD, providing fast boot times and quick game load speeds, ensuring you spend more time playing and less time waiting. That concludes our rundown of the best budget gaming PCs for 2024. Whether you're just getting into gaming or looking to upgrade without breaking the bank, each of these options offers something special for every type of gamer. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect gaming rig to fit your budget and gaming needs. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!